Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to use ticket statuses, priorities, and categories in Freshdesk's free plan. First, look at statuses. Every ticket has a status like open or resolved. To change it, open a ticket. Find the status drop-down near the top. Click it and select a new status. Use pending when waiting. Use resolved when fixed. Now for priorities. This shows urgency. In a ticket, find the priority field. Options are low, medium, high. Click the drop-down and select 1. This tells your team what to work on first. Next, categories. They group tickets by type, like billing. Open a ticket. Find the category field. Click the drop-down and choose one. Filter your ticket list using these. On the Tickets page, click Filter. A menu opens. Click Add Filter. Choose Status, Priority, or Category. Set your condition, like Priority is high. Click Apply to see only those tickets. And that's it. Change a ticket status, set its priority and category, and filter your list to focus. If this helped organize support, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.